So real quick, I just want to show you guys what's going on with solar right now. Right now we have 2 fans going. They're 2 small fans. So the fan I was talking about earlier today, that's the fan, and it's just going and it's keeping a full charge back there. And then this is going, this other USB is powering this little desktop fan. Have a baby monitor plugged in. And I have a little setup over here where I have an extension cord, the phone, the 2 baby monitors. The fan is plugged directly in the front, as you saw. And we also have a small TV, a DVD player running. So this white cord is going to, to that. And then the brown cord is going over here under this carpet, charging laptop and phone. So they're having free time right now. He's building and she's doing Minecraft stuff. Okay guys, so I'm inside the main house. I went through my cabinet and found some things that I'm not even gonna show. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw those away. Just know if you leave even sealed packages, there's a chance the mice will get it, even if it's in a pantry closed. Country living, off-grid living. Anyways, so I decided I'm going to tackle the kitchen. Because I find that because it's summertime and it's hot, I always wanted like 2 places that I can cook and stuff. So this is some stuff how I kind of left it, whatever. We went over that in the last video. I am not proud. But we found out that the toaster works. So we just kind of cleaned it out. If it literally ran continuously, it would run for like 46 minutes and the battery would be dead. That's how much power it takes. But we're able to have toast if we just need a toast in the morning. But I'm going to clean up in here so that I feel a little more comfortable. This is just stuff we pulled out. So I'd be more comfortable, and then also see if there's new friends visiting or it's just leftover from old friends. We pulled up yesterday and there was a black cat on the steps. I was like, hi kitty, I don't know where you came from, but you're welcome to stay. So yeah, I'm just gonna get in here cleaned up. I might throw you out just as soon as I set you guys up on the tripod. You see the monitor? She's at it. You hear her? Okay, next time. Okay guys, this is the dragon trash and what have you. Anyway, so this is the air conditioning unit that I got, 5,000 BTUs. This is not a sponsored video, I just bought it. It should cool 150 square feet. Here's the energy efficient. It says that it runs 450 watts. Guys, so I'm taking it out kind of like a puzzle. So this was like the first layer. I got all those out, but then it kind of gets stuck. Let's see. Okay, it's a part of the plating, but it doesn't even look like it's attached. All right, I'm gonna just try to get it down. Let's see what happens. Okay, Sean, I need you to see if it's connected anywhere. Do you see an outlet up there?
Oh yeah, it's plugged in like on this wall.
Oh, okay. Move your fingers. Okay. All right. Now, is it through this door?
Oh, I see it.
Okay, unplug it. Can it fit through that hole?
No.
Huh?
Yeah, no. Well, I can make it fit. Just gotta whip that off. That white piece.
Oh. Come on, get in. Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's okay.
So now I just...
Alright, so when I take this out, I'm going to try to put it to the table. Don't get me. I look crazy. Okay.
Team effort.
Okay.
Oh, yep. It just popped
Pop right out. Okay, so
Yeah, we have to whip it out.
I'm definitely thinking the AC can go through here. However, I feel like I have to compromise the
Wall.
yeah, and I'm sad about that.
Team efforts.
I'm gonna have to measure from what point from this end to like here to see if I can cut the space out and what that looks like. Oh no. Okay. Again, this is not a sponsored video. It's a cheap Walmart air conditioning unit. It's not cheap, but $175. Cheap enough. It's not in the teen hundreds. Right, left. I'm pretty sure this plug will work fine in the EcoFlow. I'm trying to get an idea of the size, really. I'm really nervous about this hole in the RV. Oh, the good news is it will fit in here. But it would require me cutting a hole in the back. So I'm thinking, what if I put it outside and vent it in through this window over here? Through here. Just want to test this. I have it on the couch, plugged into EcoFlow, just to see what it's going to look like. Oops. What it's going to look like energy wise. So it's on a little cool. I'm not feeling any cold air coming out just yet. But I guess the goal of doing this is to see hours. So it is offsetting some because the solar is bringing in 111. It's pulling 341. So 3 hours, and then that's not even me connecting this battery. My concern is that I'm not feeling air conditioning cold. Maybe that takes a minute. It's pretty much just blowing like a fan. I want to see it cool it first, only because I have an idea for outside. And anyways, let me show you. Okay, so right now I am starting to feel that refrigerant kick on and stuff. So I just wanted to make sure that it was gonna work before I set it all up. Now pulling 424 watts. It's bringing in 110. And I will add that second panel and see if it offsets it at all. But yeah, it's pulling a nice 430, and this is on high everything, like max. It's cool high, and I'm already feeling it. So I am gonna figure out how to get that in that window and MacGyver some stuff up here, people. Let me just show you what I'm thinking. Oh yeah, can't ever forget. Thank you, Lord, for letting this be a good working unit. I have a good feeling about this. Man, I just wish I knew if I can. Alright, I'm about to MacGyver some stuff. Hold on. Yeah, so this was my thought, that I was gonna lift it up here. I guess if this opened all the way, I could have probably propped it up and got it, the button part, the dial range, like in the window, but it doesn't lift up enough. So I gotta go back to inside. All right, so the window over here is an option that I fixed with the plexiglass, because I mean, obviously it'll fit in the window. I could prop it up, but it's gonna be right over mine and the baby's head. I don't know that I like that terribly. And I don't know how the other end is gonna get cooled. Okay, so I think I'm at the point of no return. Those are the two top holes. Okay, can you see them? Okay. All right, so basically I just took the drill hole thingy-majigger, put the AC in there, kind of lined it up. Because I don't know what I'm doing. But clearly I got to the outside because there's sunlight. Sunlight. Not yet. I'm just gonna do it, guys. Okay. Guys, I'm putting a legit hole in my wall. Oh my gosh. Legitly. Look. So I can do this one-handed. I just kind of want to see, make sure I'm not hitting any electrical things. Woo! And that was. Okay.
It's hard to control, right? Mama, is it hard to control?
A little bit. I don't know what's down here. Whew. Can I just tell you how God is so good? Because I legitly could have. Woo! And I went right through a stud. That's not good, y'all. Okay.
What's a stud?
This right here. It's part of the structural integrity. see what's behind this.
Oh.
So, you know what this means?
Yeah.
I am definitely in trouble. Because there's wires here.
And you can't cut the wires. Oh yeah, and you cut a little piece. Wait, can you hold the camera?
What?
Wait, I'm gonna show that. Right here. Like, she cut it a little. A second. Like, right here.
Yikes. Iggy. This is not good, people. But can't stop now.
Yeah, and now. You got a lot off. She might cut some more wires.
Ow.
Yeah. She's about to.
So, the problem is these wires.
Yeah.
It's a big problem.
Mm-hmm.
Why are there so many wires here?
Well, I'm a slipped. Yeah. You can just. You should throw that away. But this is what's behind the yellow stuff. That's a whole chunk. Look at all.
I wish I knew what this went to. Probably the whole wiring.
Yeah. So maybe one goes to the sink, the bathroom.
Damn.
But look at all those wires, guys. Comment down below if you know what they do. You're trying not to cut the wires.
Correct. Come on this side.
Should I close my eyes too?